Hi, third grade. This is your favorite math teacher, Mrs. Hofline. In this video, you are going to learn what a flipped classroom is and how I'm going to teach you math using this type of model. When we use the flipped classroom model, it will allow me to work more one-on-one with specific students, and it allows you to learn at your own pace by either rewinding the lesson or pausing the video at any time if there was something confusing or you need to catch up on your notes. Let's go ahead and see what our flipped classroom is going to look like. In my flipped lessons, you'll be rotating to different groups. One of the groups, you will be listening to a pre-made lesson that I already made using the Chromebooks or iPads just like you are right now. When you are at the video station, you'll be listening to the lesson on headphones, but you will also be taking notes on my explanations. So, if we were learning how to add 55 plus 12, it will show up on the screen just like this. I will also be telling you that you need to add these numbers on your paper and follow along on your paper and take notes with me. 55 plus 12. We add up our ones place first. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 55 plus 12 equals 67. So when you are listening to the video, you will also be taking notes. This is a good place where you can stop and rewind the video if I moved too fast or you need to hear the lesson again. After a few minutes, you'll be rotating to a new station while another group comes to the video station and listens to the video themselves. In the other groups, you'll either be working together on a review or the same concept that you just learned about in the video. You might be working by yourself, completing an independent worksheet on addition, subtraction, and maybe word problems. You'll also be working together on Tarsia puzzles or playing addition, multiplication, and division games such as Salute or I Spy. There will be directions at each station for you and your group to read over before you begin, so you know what is expected of you at each station. I will also go over the directions at each station before we start, but just in case you forget, you will have a hard copy of the directions for you and your group to read over. There will be at least 2 stations where you either will be working with a partner or in a small group of 3 or 4 students. When working together, it is very important that everyone is participating by either asking questions, solving the word problem out loud for their classmates, or helping their classmates solve the problem if you notice that they are either solving it wrong or are struggling to get started on how to solve it. This is where math talk is going to come in and where we have a lot of communication and conversations. I will be rotating from group to group, listening to your conversations with each other and asking questions to help you solve the problem or reteaching it to you in case you are still confused about something. Using the flipped classroom model is so much fun because it allows everyone to be participating while still learning at your own pace. You are going to love learning math this way. Just remember, it is important that you are paying attention to the video, taking notes, and most importantly, working together throughout the stations. It is going to be a great year in third grade. I'm really looking forward to being your teacher, and if you have any questions, just ask. Bye, guys.